algebra. In algebra is this, when we are doing division of algebra, is the same way we do for multiplication of algebra. In this case, we are looking at the division in which the numbers with letter dividing numbers with letter or letters. You can be given number dividing number with letters. How are you going to solve all of this? Let me give you an example. Let's take a look at it. Looking at all of these examples, they are all, we want to work on division, like 14a over 7. This is letters with number dividing only number. Here we have fraction multiplying numbers with letter. So how are we going to solve all of this? It is very simple. Number will divide number, letter will divide the same letter. Different letter cannot divide themselves, but you only divide letter of letters that are the same. If you have, for instance, a up over a square, this a square means a times a. That is, letters can divide the same letter. But if it is b that is on top and a is down here, b cannot cancel a. They are not the same. So in this case, number will divide number, letters will divide the same letter. Here we have 7, we go in 14. 7 here 1, 7 in 14, 2. Our answer is 2a over 1. That is 2a all over 1, which is equals to 2a. The second, that is the final answer. Let's go to the second example. 1 over 3, which is 1 over 3 times 36x all over 1. This can cancel or cut this place here, and this number can also cut the number here, which means that 3 can go in 36. 3 in 36, that is 12, and 3 will go here 1. Any other one? No. That is 12 times 1, that is 12 times x will give us 12x all over 1, which is the same thing as 12x. And the next example we have, this is 5ab divided by a. Let's write it like this: 5ab all over a. Or you can write it like this: 5 times a times b. It's still the same thing, you are correct. Then a is here, a is here. I told you, I said the same letter will cancel themselves. A will go here 1, a will go here 1. So 5 times 1, 5 times b will give us 5b all over 1, which is the same thing as 5b. That is the final answer. And we'll look at this. We can start with the cancelling of the cutting of the number first. 2 will go here 1, 2 here 3. Any other place where it can go? No. So we move to the letter. Y is here, y is here. So the same letter will cancel themselves. Y here 1, y here 1. So let's write out the answer. 3 times x times 1, that is 3 times x, that is 3x. That is the remaining thing that is there. All over 1 times 1, that is 1, which is the same thing as 3x. That is our final answer. Here we look at x squared over x. X squared over x. When we are talking of x squared, when we are talking of x squared means x times x all over another x, all over x. So If it is 2x, it will cancel another x. But because it is only one x will cancel only one x. So our answer remains x. That is x over 1, which is the same thing as x. And for the last one, we have 24x squared y. I want to write it this way. It's still the same thing, divided by x. Here, if I want to simplify by saying I want to simplify this x squared, which is x times x. That is 24 times x times another x. This 2x now is this times y all over x. Now these two, x times x is the same thing as x squared here. So times y, this is the y at the back. So I said x, the same letter will cancel each other. X will cancel x, 1x, that is 1. 24x and y is remaining now. So our answer will give us 24x and y. 24x and y.